explain very important point, that is crop improvement. Crop improvement basically means producing the varieties of the plants, crops, which are having many advantages. Many advantages like they produce more crop, like more vegetables, fodder. Now more resistant towards towards disease. They are not affected by disease. They are resistant to disease. Matures earlier means they do not require more time, they mature. So they are also called as early varieties. Then consume less water. Less water means they can undergo drought also. So these are the basic areas. These are the basic purposes for the crop improvement. Now the crop improvement is done by genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a branch of biotechnology. It is biotechnology is a combination of biology with the technology. So in this, two or more plants are selected and the characters of both the plants are joined together by selecting the genes. By selecting the genes, genes are the basic units and they are present in chromosomes. Genes are the some certain sets of DNA, and so scientists they take the genes, genes from one better variety. Better variety means more producing crop, more yielding type, less water requirement, they require less water, mature earlier, and so this quantity are from the first plant. Then other plant is taken which is resistant to a particular place. That is, so this is one aspect. So select other plant which can tolerate conditions in a particular area. Like we say local variety, meaning is local variety, local crop. That is local crop. Like say if we have some variety of wheat or barley or rice, say if you take any better variety from Mexico or better variety from United States of America, and here we take the genes of that plant from the USA, and here in our country the native of any India, say wheat, we take the plant which is used to the Indian climatic conditions, and the genes of that plant responsible for giving more product is, now it is the second variety, is transferred through genetic engineering, and then the two plants are mixed together, their genes are mixed together, and it is called as hybridization. So, hybridization is mixing. Hybridization is the process of mixing two different characters and making one character. It's called as hybridization. So, hybridization is very important process, and hybridization is in plant breeding. It is in plant breeding. So it is one aspect of that is by plant breeding. So the persons, the biotechnologists, they are called as plant breeders. So this is one way of improvement of crop, because if crop consumes less water, it matures earlier, it gives more enough fodder. Say if you want to grow berseem for an animal, so if the berseem is matured very earlier, so it will be beneficial because it will not uh, it will not require more time, so will be beneficial. So this is one point, that is the hybridization. Now in hybridization there are other characters also. In hybridization, this is the by genetic engineering. Second is by taking the flowers. By this was the by genetic engineering. Second is by cross pollination. You know cross pollination, you know pollination. So it is not so complicated. So here the process is same. Process is same. So here one plant with better characters, So we take the pollen grains. We take the pollen grains. This is better variety. And in second, plant with a strong base of growing to a particular place. So we take the carpel or female plant. We take the female portion. So in the second plant, the male part is removed. Male part of the, that is stamen, is removed. The stamen is removed, anthers are removed, and it is called as emasculation. So emasculation is the process of removing the male part. So then again here there is the stigma. Here there is the stigma, ovary in the female part, and this is the, so here the pollen grains are allowed to fall here. Pollen grains, it is done by manual. It is done by hands. It is not, natural process. It is done by the scientists. Who? Plant breeders. Plant breeders, they select the pollen grains from better variety. They select, and the other plant having less character, the male parts are removed, stamen is removed. It is called emasculation. And then the plant with more character, better character, its pollen grains are added. So these are the pollen grains. So pollen grains are allowed to fall. So pollen grains, they grow into pollen tubes. So this is, and here there is the, here it is the ovule. Ovule having the two nuclei. This is the ovule, and so this is pollen tube. Pollen tube has the nucleus, and so this here it has the mouth opening, and the pollen tube now enters inside, and here its nucleus. This is the nucleus of new plant, and then there is the formation of zygote, and then the seed is formed, and again the seed. So this is called as hybridization, and here the new plant is produced, and this new plant, it is now grown. It is grown on large scale to produce seeds. Now these seeds, they are sent in market. So this is how better variety of plant is produced.